Question 8. In this question, we are asked the number of pages of a certain general article. So, as per our strategy, we will write what do I need to find out? We will write number of pages in article. This is what we need to find out. What do I know from question statement? I don't know anything from the question statement. Okay, so we will write NaN. Nothing we know. Okay. Then third question is, what else do I need to know? So I simply need to know the number of pages. Okay. So if I am able to figure out the number of pages or if I am given the width of each page and the width of book, then from that I can figure out the number of pages, because the width of the book divided by width of pages will give us the number of pages. So this is necessary. Either of this information can give us the number of pages. Now let us jump to our statements. What does statement 1 say? It says that the size of each page is 5.5 by 8 inches. Okay, so the size of each page is 5.5 into 8 inches. It is also in inches. Okay, so this is the page. A page is like this. Okay, and if we see, then the height of the page is like this. Okay, so we need to know the height of the page, but they have given us the dimensions of the page when it is kept as plane on a plane surface. Okay, so these are irrelevant data. We don't need this dimensions. Okay, the size of the page doesn't give any information on the number of pages. If they would have given the height of the page or this width of the page, then it would be helpful. So statement 1 is not sufficient. Whenever it is not sufficient, we cross AD and we jump to next statement. So the next statement is the average number of words per page is 250. So average number of words per page is equals to 250. So this is also not relevant, because if they would have given that the total number of words in the book is something around 2500 or 25,000 or anything like that, or 10,000, then from that we can figure out the number of pages by dividing this by 250. But they have not given any data on the number of words in the pages. Okay, so the average is not helpful over here. Okay, the second statement is also not sufficient to answer our question. When this happens, we need to club both the statements. So by clubbing 1 and 2, we get that the size of the page is 5.5 inch into 8 inches, I would say, and the average number of words are 250. So by combining this data also, we don't have any data on the number of words in the total book or anything related to the height of the or width of the page or width of the book. So both the statements combined also cannot give us the answer of our question, the number of pages. So we will cross C and our correct answer will be option number E. I hope it is clear.